We're going to timestamp the column based on any edit to the entire column. We're going to do this with a little bit of AppScript, extensions AppScript. First thing we'll do is use the onEdit function. We'll put an E here. That's a variable that could be any word or text there. But it gives us some interesting information like what row we're on, which is e.range.getRow, and also what column we're on. Col equals e.range.getColumn with a capital C, column. And if the row is greater than 1, we're going to execute something, which is spreadsheet app.getActiveSheet, getRange, and the range is going to be whatever the number 1, and then call whichever column we're on, and we're going to set value, and the easiest thing to do is just new date here. We can format this if we want, so I'm going to say new date and create a variable new date equals utilities.format date new date. I'm going to select time zone GMT, and the string I want is just day slash mm slash year. So I want capital M's for month. Let's save this and see how it does. So all I'm doing is saving and going back to the sheet, and I'm going to write in 44. And we can see already the last update is working. Let's make that a little bit smaller. Let's go 67, and let's give it a little quick 12, 10, 5. And you can see these timestamps are actually showing up. So if we want a timestamp as well, we can go back to our editor, and instead of this being just the day, we can say hour, minute as well. Let's save that. And let's go change them. 45. We can see that time changed. 44. And there's the date and the time. A little nice timestamp for all of these changes for anything in the column. So if I changed here, 44, 99, let's say here, that's a lot of sales. But our timestamp is working. There you go. If you want this code, go down below. I'll put it in the description. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos. Get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.